students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, if A, which is a matrix defined as Aij, is a symmetric matrix of order m cross n. So a matrix can be only symmetric when it is a square matrix. And for a square matrix, number of rows and number of columns should be equal. So m should be equals to n. So option C we can directly eliminate. Now, if it is a symmetric matrix, then the diagonally opposite elements will be equal. So for a matrix A, let's take an example of a 3 cross 3 matrix. So it is like A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. If this is a square matrix where it is a 3 cross 3 square matrix. So this is a symmetric matrix when diagonally opposite elements are equal, means A12 is equals to A21, A13 is equals to A31, and A32 is equals to A32 is equals to A23. So that here you will see one pattern, that is A. If we will try to generalize this, if it is Aij, it will be equals to Aji. See, Ij, Ji, Ij, Ji, Ij and Ji. So which of this option you can see will be the correct answer? It's option B. See, m should be equals to n and Aij should be equals to Aji for all values of I and j. So correct option will be option B. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.